Hi, I'm Tammy, and I'm so excited because I am starting something new. I'm going to be talking to you about my garden and all the different things that are going on in it. Lots are going on in it. I've lived in a lot of different states, and I just want to talk to you about them. I've learned a lot of different things along the way, so I'm so excited. Mark me, keep me posted, keep me close. Learn some new things, teach me some things. Peace. This is my gazebo with my plant. I don't know what the name of this plant is, but isn't it cool? Look how it does. I love the way it flares out. And with my lantanas. Lantanas are beautiful. I don't know if I talked about these yet, but these are really, the smell of them, they don't smell good. But these, if you can't grow these, they can be dead almost, and you can bring them back and have a beautiful plant. All you have to do is just water. They like sun, and they do like water, but they don't, after they're established, they're fine. They'll come back year after year after year. Even if you break them all down to nothing, they'll come back. And this is my special place. On my tour, I want to also show that this is a rock garden here, which makes it look really pretty on the back of the plants. This is a sunflower. This sunflower requires a lot of water. And when I put this in, my mistake was that I put it in a container that was too narrow, too small. Sunflowers need a lot of space. They need a lot of space, they need a lot of water. Well, you know, a bigger round or pot would have been better than this trash can that I had just sitting around. And these were seeds too, and they're real easy to grow. You just throw the seeds in the ground, in the container, and voila, you have flowers, sunflowers big. The ones that you choose, though, are important. The black ones tend to be a little bit more dwarf. If you get the big yellow ones, they come in different varieties. So when you're choosing your seed, make sure that you get the sunflower that you want. Then you have a walkthrough. Walk this way. These have really beautiful, these will have really beautiful purple flowers on them. Fall, spring, in the spring. These have pink flowers on them in the spring. I think it's pink, I think they're pink. Down below you are the gardenias, and these usually are really, they're red. No blooms on them right now though. So that's how you take care of them. You just break that off. There's a lot of learning in this yard. There's a lot of going on. Okay. And that's about it. This particular tree that I don't know what it is, that tree sheds, so it's really a pain. So I'm always breaking that up. So that's all for now. I'll be back. Hi, good morning. Wanted to also show you my flower box, which is completely filled with nothing but sunflower seeds. And what I do is that I let them run their course, and gradually throughout the whole process, maybe a month later, I might sprinkle some more wildflowers in this. That way it'll continuously keep recycling beautiful flowers for my flower box. Hey, this is my sports pot. It's called a bud pot. Okay, back in COVID, during COVID, my husband bought me this bud pot. This sports pot is perfect. I'm very allergic to mosquitoes. So he got me this pot. I would sit outside in the pot and be outdoors, and I wouldn't get bit by mosquitoes. Since I've been here in California, I had another idea. I was gonna make this my outdoor greenhouse. See? No bugs, no squirrels, none of that can get to my plants. I have vegetables and all the good things that you might want in life. We have tomatoes, basil, all of my herbs, squash, zucchini, ta-da, and my outdoor marijuana. I'll let you know how this turns out, but I think it's a great idea. I think it's a fantastic idea. It sits right on the edge of my indoor-outdoor she shed. When it's clean, I'll take you for a tour. That's all I have for today, but thank you. Thanks for watching B4G. Please hit subscribe.